So today I'm going to do a review on this portable tire air inflator. It's for the car air pressure with a digital pressure gauge, 150 PSI. Also has an LED light, and you can also charge your cell phone. Now this is your on and off button. So if you press and hold it, you will see the go on. So here it's going to display the tire pressure whenever you air up your tire. So, and then you can just push this button here. Looks like a backwards C. You push and hold it down, it will reset it. And if you do a short press, it will change the mode. The plus sign and the minus sign are buttons to preset the pressure value. After 3 seconds, then start the pump. This is operation buttons. And then back here is your DC port. That's your DC port, which would be this one here. Just plug it in, and you can plug that one into the car. The other side has a light. And the orange circle is where you will be putting in your air hose port. So the little extensions that come with it. This is the ball needle, and these are air nozzles. And of course it comes with a carry bag. So we will check it out and see how it goes pumping up a tire. Okay, so we're going to air up this tire. As you can see, it is flat. So I will go ahead and turn this on now. So this button right here is to turn on the light. So if you hold it down, it will stay on, but if you touch it again, it flashes. So then now here you can adjust your plus and minus on your tire. Went really fast. You can see it's really aired up there. So it works really, really good.